Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto using BitPay Card, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer crypto using your BitPay Card, start by opening the BitPay app on your device. Log in to your BitPay account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section of the app. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Tap on the send option for that cryptocurrency. Enter the recipient's wallet address. Make sure to double-check the address for accuracy. Input the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Review the transaction details carefully. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. You may need to enter your passcode or authenticate with biometrics. After confirming, the transaction will be processed. You will receive a notification once the transfer is complete. To check the status of your transaction, go back to the wallet section. Here, you can view the transaction history and see the details of your recent transfer. Remember, transaction times may vary based on network activity. Keep your BitPay card and app updated for the best experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.